Picture a factory floor where workers see assembly instructions floating in their field of view, or a surgeon performing a procedure with real-time data overlaid directly onto the patient. That's spatial computing, and Apple's Vision Pro 3 is making it happen in actual workplaces across the world right now. Spatial computing means using headsets and glasses to blend digital information with the physical world around you in real time. Instead of staring at a separate screen, you see data and apps anchored to real objects and spaces. The Vision Pro 3 is Apple's latest headset, released earlier in 2026, and it's built specifically to handle the processing power and battery life that enterprise customers demand. Why enterprises suddenly care comes down to 3 reasons. First, the hardware got better. Vision Pro 3 runs faster, lasts longer on a single charge, and costs less than previous generations. Second, the software ecosystem matured. Developers built actual tools for manufacturing, healthcare, architecture, and logistics instead of consumer novelties. Third, companies calculated real returns on investment. A logistics company using spatial computing to train workers can cut training time by 40%. A hospital using it for surgical planning reduces operating room time. Those numbers add up to millions in savings. The adoption numbers tell the story. Enterprise Vision Pro shipments reached 4.2 million units globally in the first half of 2026, compared to roughly 800,000 consumer units. Microsoft HoloLens and Meta Quest Pro remain on the market, but Vision Pro 3's integration with existing Apple hardware and offices, its developer support, and its focus on professional workflows gave it the advantage. Samsung and Google announced their own spatial computing devices, but shipping dates keep slipping into 2027 and beyond. What actually slowed broader adoption is often overlooked. Many enterprises still lack the internal expertise to deploy these systems properly. Headsets work great, but you need trained IT staff, custom software, and workflows redesigned around the technology. Companies spending millions on Vision Pro units also spend millions more on implementation partners. Right now, spatial computing in enterprises past the hype phase and into the boring, profitable phase. Hospitals plan their next batch of headset orders the same way they order MRI machines. Manufacturers budget for spatial training alongside traditional methods. That stability is what makes 2026 the inflection point for the whole industry. If you want to understand how spatial computing compares to augmented reality and virtual reality, we covered that recently on the channel.